In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create a simple Facebook lead generation ad for a 3-bedroom house and set it up inside Meta Ads Manager. We're going to move through the process in a practical way, starting with the ad copy, then creating a lead magnet, then drafting instant form questions, and finally placing everything into your ad campaign. The goal here is to make your ad feel appealing, useful, and easy for potential buyers to respond to, especially first-time buyers. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to write 3 compelling Facebook ad copies for a 3-bedroom house in your target city, specifically aimed at first-time buyers, and make sure the prompt asks for a strong call to action. This gives you multiple versions to choose from, which is helpful because different wording can attract different types of attention. As you review the results, look for copy that feels clear, welcoming, and benefit-driven. You want the message to highlight why the property is attractive and why someone should take action now. Next, use ChatGPT to create a lead magnet. In this case, ask for an outline for a free PDF guide, such as a checklist or educational resource for home buyers in your city. A lead magnet works because it gives people something useful in exchange for their contact details. It also helps position your ad as helpful rather than overly sales focused. When reviewing the outline, make sure it sounds relevant to local buyers and easy to turn into a simple downloadable PDF later. After that, ask ChatGPT to draft instant form questions you can use to qualify leads. This is an important step because not every person who clicks your ad will be ready to buy. Good qualifying questions help you understand their budget, how soon they plan to purchase, and whether they're genuinely a fit for the property or offer. Keep the form focused and not too long, so people are more likely to complete it. Once your materials are ready, go into Meta Ads Manager and create a lead generation campaign. This is where everything comes together. Use one of the ad copy options ChatGPT generated and include the lead magnet offer in the ad so people have a clear reason to submit their information. Then build your instant form using the qualifying questions you prepared earlier. As you complete the setup, make sure the messaging stays consistent from the ad to the form. That consistency builds trust and improves conversions. With this process, you're not just launching an ad, you're creating a simple system to attract, educate, and pre-qualify potential buyers more effectively.